Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to make a videos with your multiple photos on your Windows 11 without using any software. So for this guys, just you can follow this easy and simple method. Just press Windows key button and here you need to search video editor like this and open this application. So this is the built-in application available in Windows 11. So after opening this guys, here you need to select new video project, just click on it, okay, and it will open the video editor on your PC. Okay, now you need to add your photos on this video editor. Here you can get one plus icon, add icon, just click on it. Okay, it will ask you to select your photos from your PC, from collection or from web browser. So I am selecting photos from my PC. From here you need to select your file location where your photos was available. So as you can see guys, here I have some photos. Just select your photos like this, and after selecting click on open. That's it. It will add your all photos on this video editor. Just you need to drag and drop these photos on your video editor timeline like this. That's it. Now after this guys, here you can get lots of option to edit your images. If you want to add the music on your video, from here you can easily able to add it. So you can get lots of option. After editing guys, here you can get the option finish video. Just click on it and it will ask you to select your video quality. I am selecting high resolution. After this guys, just click on export. That's it. It will create the video from your photos. Just click on once again export. So this is the very easy and very quick method to create a video file from your multiple photos on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.